at Lowe's picking up lumber for our project in the bay for solar.
So we made it to Lowe's this morning, a little later than usual, but it's all right. We've got what we need to start on the pass-through bay for supporting the walls to attach our solar system to.
So a little quick update. Got the panels removed, and I moved this outlet up top. I just notched out that piece there, which doesn't really mean much. I just notched him out and mounted him up high because the new board is going to stop right here at the beam. And then I moved my light up here instead of it being on the wall, because our solar stuff is going to take up this whole side, so I definitely want to make sure there's room. That corner never looked that clean. Oh, it was rust. Okay. I was like, wait a minute now. Now, this together. Missed the mark there. Oh, it's because the grabber's down here, that's why. There we go. There's nothing up there.
So we now have our support walls built. In the center section where the two inverters will be mounted. We will get back to you once we start working on the door that's going to go on this bad mama jamma.
See, that's the finished edge. I'll leave the label for you because I know you like picking labels.
Yeah.
Oh, you need the sanding block. Sanding block. Go. Get these in there. Might have to use the oh, of course. Yeah, you want it recorded, huh?
It's rolling!
It's rolling! It's rolling!
It's rolling!
Okay. Yeah. Nice. There you go, folks. Everything's in there now. I ended up screwing these in to hold it in rather than using a latch, but this thing's just glides open and close like butter. Those hinges are nice and heavy duty, so once the inverters get mounted on here, that heavy duty wheel that I put back there with the spring should maintain the level of these hinges so that they don't stress out or anything. The hinges can take the weight either way, but I'd still like to keep it as level as possible. And then this side over here is ready to go. Lights remounted, power outlet's been moved, and this fan was outstanding. That's it for now, guys.